May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast. We're looking at gold futures. Yes, gold. Now we're looking at the monthly. What do we see? Up. We're bullish. All right. It's very simple. You can see that we create nothing but bullish candles. All right. Bullish closes for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, going on 5 months now. And you can see the bullish fair value gap that are opening. This is a thin one here. All right. And it's just telling you that this is bullish order flow. And there's no reason to take shorts right now in this bullish market. Okay. Easy enough. If we go to the weekly, what do we see? Oh, I forgot to mention something. Okay. If I can go back, all right. I want you to take a good look at this wick. You know how I like to use that wick as its own range, right? And what you see is I have the 50% in here, all right, of that range, all right, and I'm stretching it over here to the side. What you don't want to see, or what you want to see is, will the market respect the 50% of this of the candlesticks of this candlestick's wick, the 50% of the range of this wick. And what you can see is during the month of November, it closed just above that 50%, all right, with a little bit of pullback. So the next week opens up, boom, we dip down, and then continue up higher. We did not respect the 50% of this wick, which leads me to believe that we will be trading to the high, an all-time new high, soon enough. Okay. If we go down to the weekly, what we can see, I will move this over because you know what how trading view does with this mess. All right, so that'll be the goal, but you can see we're reaching up towards it now. What do you notice here in this kind of consolidation here? You can see that there was a bullish fair value gap. A bullish fair value gap here that the market created with this candle. We never revisited with this one. We came close, but we did not revisit it, and we continued up higher anyway. All right, so you can see that we have some strong order flow. All right, some strong bullish momentum. Okay, and you can see that 50% of that monthly wick, that monthly candle there, its wick, we are trading well above it, and we can see that we are well within reach of the all-time high. Okay, if we go to the daily, this is where we get to see some things. All right, you can see that we had this consolidation. We had a fair value gap right here. All right, I have it in blue, and you can see that we never closed below that fair value gap. We never closed below it. It held support the whole time, and then you see price moving up higher, creating a new fair value gap. All right, this one isn't as relevant to me anymore, so I can go. And we are trading above the 50% of that wick that we saw on the monthly. The wick that we saw on the monthly. All right, we have order flow aiming towards the all-time high up here. Okay, I see no reason to take shorts, none. All right, this wick notwithstanding, I do not see a reason to take shorts. All right. Is it possible that we can dip into this fair value gap and then move up higher? We certainly could. Or we could just continue higher from here. But I'm looking for either one of those. Either one of those. I'm definitely looking for buys. If we go to the 4 hour, can we see anything? You can see that there was a hard turn because of the what do we have? This was Friday. What is this? Friday. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's right. I just realized we're on the 4 hour. All right, so this was Friday's turn. All right, we can see how Wednesday we had the it got stronger because of the Fed interest rate cut on the US dollar. I mean, interest rates, I'm sorry, and the dollar became weaker, and you started to see gold lose that headwind and push up higher. Now, what you'll also see is that there is a bearish fair value gap that was formed here, and uh, uh, price pushed down hard into that. Actually, it was a bullish fair value gap. I'm sorry. Price pulled back hard into that bullish fair value gap, and it looks like it should fail. But where did this candle go? It went all the way down to that 4 hour fair value gap and responded well to it. Boom. All right. And this is the fair value gap that we saw on the daily. So can we see some follow through? Yeah, we certainly could. What do I do? You know what I like to do with these large wicks? The wicks, I want to see price hold above that 50% and continue up higher. If it comes down and sweeps that low into this fair value gap, I will hold off until we see the market give us a signature. If it gets down here, I'm waiting for a low, a lower high, a higher high, and then a pullback. That's when I will take longs. But I am interested in longs, folks. Make no mistake about it. I think we have the markers in place for higher prices that support higher prices. We have what? Come on, get off. All right. What we have is a bullish fair value gap here, a bullish fair value gap here. Yes, price pushed down into it, but we didn't close below it. And if we see that the 50% of that wick is respected, then we could see higher prices from here. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I hope you enjoyed this video. I put out some videos today already. I want you to go back and check those out. That would be the New Zealand dollar USD analysis, the pound USD, the euro USD, and the US dollar USD. I put those out already. Go check those out so you can be informed with your Forex decisions going ahead this week. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. I'll be analyzing the NASDAQ, and I'll see you there. May profits be upon you.